Let me lay some strange science on you. In the state of Maine, the divorce rate correlated almost 1-to-1 with the amount of margarine consumed in the United States. So as margarine consumption goes up, so do the divorce rates of married couples in the state of Maine. As margarine consumption throughout the U.S. goes down, the marriage rate stays high, divorce rate low for those people in the state of Maine. And there's absolutely no connection to margarine and marriage and divorce. But that's called a spurious correlation. See, correlation does not equal causation, as you can completely see from that example. Another example might be you're driving down the street and you see a house on fire and you see a bunch of firemen at the house. So you can logically conclude that the firemen set the fire to the house. Probably not. Again, correlation does not equal causation. We correlate the firemen being there, but the cause of the fire was not due to the firemen being there. And these are part of science called epidemiological studies, which can be very skewed. We often have epidemiologists use health history questionnaires where first they're biased toward the outcome they want to see. There's a collection of data that they're looking to, and they're kind of gearing their questions in that manner. But they can conclude incorrectly that consuming A in your diet causes disease B when they're just looking at this food particle and this disease entity. And they don't take into consideration that the people who eat this drink like fish, smoke 2 packs of cigarettes a day, get 0 exercise, and are morbidly obese. They don't take that into consideration. They just want to say it's this component in food. And that's where studies can be so misleading. And oftentimes a study will come out in science, it's published and then retracted. Well, the mainstream press might pick up on the publication, but you're never going to hear about the retraction. Oh, we were wrong. That study is invalid. And yet that then circulates for years and years and years. And oftentimes even governing bodies, the World Health Organization, who I feel is rather corrupt, will pick up on something, and then that just becomes, here's the way it is for everything in the world. Everyone should live in the same lifestyle behavior. And we saw how horrible that was during the pandemic. So remember, correlation does not equal causation. There you have it. Science. I'm Dr. Jeffrey Clark.